Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tacoma oil light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer is showing the total mileage, not trip A or trip B. This is a crucial first step for the reset process. You will also need to locate the trip reset button, usually found near your instrument cluster. This simple method takes less than 1 minute to complete. Now, with the ignition still in the on position, press the trip reset button repeatedly. You'll see the display cycle through different modes like total mileage, trip A, and trip B. Continue pressing until trip A is clearly visible on your odometer display. This is a very important step, as the reset function is tied to this particular setting. Do not proceed until trip A is selected. Next, turn your ignition completely to the OFF position. Once the ignition is off, press and hold the trip reset button firmly. Keep holding it down without releasing. While still holding the trip reset button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. You will continue to hold the button for several seconds during this step to initiate the reset sequence. Keep holding the trip reset button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, you will observe the oil maintenance light flashing on your dashboard. After a few moments, the light will disappear, indicating a successful reset. Once the light is no longer visible, you can release the trip reset button. Your oil maintenance light is now reset, and you are ready to drive with peace of mind for your next service interval.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.